Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Groggy. I felt so groggy after the surgery that I could barely open my eyes. Groggy. I felt so groggy after the surgery that I could barely open my eyes. To want nothing to do. While I was still groggy, I wanted nothing to do with any complex conversations. To want nothing to do. While I was still groggy, I wanted nothing to do with any complex conversations. Mundane. I wanted nothing to do with my mundane daily chores until I felt better. Mundane. I wanted nothing to do with my mundane daily chores until I felt better. Tripped. I tripped over the rug because I was distracted by thinking about my mundane tasks. Tripped. I tripped over the rug because I was distracted by thinking about my mundane tasks. Foolish. It was foolish of me to start running right after I tripped the first time. Foolish. It was foolish of me to start running right after I tripped the first time. Subside. I had to wait for the swelling to subside after making that foolish decision to run. Subside. I had to wait for the swelling to subside after making that foolish decision to run. Ride something out. I decided to stay on the sofa and ride out the pain until the swelling finally started to subside. Ride something out. I decided to stay on the sofa and ride out the pain until the swelling finally started to subside. Answer in kind. When my brother made fun of my injury, I chose to ride out his jokes rather than answer in kind. Answer in kind. When my brother made fun of my injury, I chose to ride out his jokes rather than answer in kind. Derogatory. It is better to stay silent than to answer in kind with a derogatory comment. Derogatory. It is better to stay silent than to answer in kind with a derogatory comment. Tier. Even at the highest tier of management, people should avoid using derogatory language. tier. Even at the highest tier of management, people should avoid using derogatory language.